So I am making my first raised bed out in the desert, and I'm super excited. I've been doing a lot of research on planting in the desert over the years in preparation for this. I am building it in a temporary style, and I am using Oyas. If you'd like more information about Oyas and how they work to do passive irrigation, specifically in the desert, then please go visit my website. But I am using soil from Tractor Supply, which I was concerned about. But when you live in a rural area, you have to do with what you have, and you get what you get, and you don't throw a fit. And I'm actually very pleasantly surprised with the quality of the soil. It's really good, and my plants have been thriving in it. And I'm using extra large Oyas in this bed because it is a rather large bed, but they have all different sizes of it. And in later videos, we'll go over how I am mulching it and helping to retain the soil's moisture. So stay tuned for that. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, as always, please leave it down in the comments and I'd be happy to get back to you. Otherwise, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day and stay tuned for part 2 and part 3 of the rest of this garden build.